Jai Shri Ram, a religious welcome to you all. I welcome you all to the annual day program of Class 1 and 2, Lovely Playway School, Nirman Vihar branch. One tree can start a forest, one word can frame a goal, one candle can wipe out darkness. A true leader has the confidence to stand alone. With this, I extend a gracious welcome to the management of Lovely Playway School. Their impeccable kindness, cooperation, humanity, and tireless zeal makes them loved by all. You play a vital role in grooming our little ones. Again, a very warm welcome to you all. My warm welcome to our very special chief guest, Dr. Shruti Malik, a passionate endodontist who is currently working at Redex Cosmo Dental. I would also like to welcome the dedicated staff of our institution who are well versed in their job. They left no stone unturned in training our little ones. My sincere welcome to all the parents. Without you all, this event could not have been possible. I welcome all my lovely kids who I know are eagerly waiting to steal millions of hearts. Last but not the least, I would like to welcome all the support staff for their countless efforts. We all know what Ramayan is all about. We all have narrated Ramayan to our kids also. But today, our little ones will showcase this beautiful act, the Ramayana. Before commencing our show, let us seek blessings of the Lord. I request everyone to take Gyan Mudra position.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। परमेश्वर हे प्रभु निर्मल बुद्धि प्रदान करो, अवगुण सारे दूर करो, तेजवान गुणवान करो। हे परमेश्वर हे प्रभु निर्मल बुद्धि प्रदान करो, अवगुण सारे दूर करो, तेजवान गुणवान करो। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्। हे गणपति मुझको रिद्धि दो, लंबोदर मुझको सिद्धि दो, विघ्न आए कामों में शुभ और लाभ की वृद्धि दो। हे गणपति मुझको रिद्धि दो, लंबोदर मुझको सिद्धि दो, विघ्न आए कामों में।
Now, I would like to invite our chairperson, Dr. Mrs. S.T. Malik ma'am. She's an epitome of success, and just by being in her presence and only by looking at her, one can learn a lot. I request ma'am to share her thoughts with us.
How are you? I am great. I am happy. I am best of the human being. Don't say that I am well. Now old traditions have been over. Now we want to start good news, new fashion, knew everything of our children. If home environment is good, तो school environment will also good for the children. जहाँ बच्चे रहते हैं वो जो कुछ देखते हैं, जो कुछ अपने पेरेंट्स को, अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को, अपने और रिलेटिव्स को बच्चे वो सीख जाते हैं. इट इज़ माई एक्सपीरियंस. आपके बच्चे आपके लिए बहुत कीमती हैं. मैं तो कहती हूँ कि आपके बच्चे आपके जिस तरह आप डायमंड की केयर करते हैं, यू केयर योर चिल्ड्रन लाइक ए डायमंड. आप अपने बच्चों को इतना प्यार दो. ये दिस इज़ राइट टाइम टू गेट लव फ्रॉम यू. जो वैल्यूज़ इनको दे देंगे वही सारी उम्र इनके काम आएगी. शुरू से ही अच्छे संस्कार दो. दैट इज़ वेरी important. I hope you will give good values to your children. Once again, I welcome you all. You are great parents, you are happy parents, and you are loving your children. You love to school also, and you love to your neighborhood, relatives, to everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your love and always showering blessings on all of us. Thank you. Now, I would like to invite our Managing Director, Dr. Manoj Malik sir, who has always ignited our imagination and instilled love for everyone. Sir, I request you to please enlighten us.
Good morning to all the wonderful people present here today. I take this opportunity to convey my warm greetings to you and welcome you all on this virtual platform to celebrate our school's annual day function. We all look forward to school annual day function with great enthusiasm and excitement because it spreads joy and serves as a great platform for our students to exhibit their unique talent and build their spirit of togetherness and confidence. At LPS, we believe in 100% participation of students, and this annual day is a perfect example of this, which ensures that each and every child actively participate and performs. Children have and will always be the focus of attention at LPS, not because it's a school, but because it's a school of happy children. Despite the difficult time of global pandemic and lockdown, the student enthusiasm knew no bounds. They participated and performed with great excitement. For this, I would like to appreciate the effort of all the parents who supported and cooperated with the school to bring up this great magical event. We can proudly say that we have the best set of parent-child combination and value system in our school. I wish all the happiness and success to my teachers and coordinator with whose guidance and support we have been able to organize this annual day. Thank you so much and wish you happy Dussehra.
Thank you so much, sir, for your precious words. Thank you. Now, I would like to invite our principal, Dr. Mrs. Bhavna, whose aim is to provide quality education and the best facilities to our little ones. Ma'am, your presence has always brought a smile on everyone's face. With this, I would like to invite you to share your thoughts.
Jai Shri Ram. Happy Navratras, Durga Puja to everyone. I would like to say congratulations to all of you for coming Diwali Parva. And what I believe that the wonderful people are watching me today, even my children. So hello to everyone, and I take an opportunity to convey my blessing to each one of you. This virtual platform is a beautiful thing. Although from last 15 months we are missing our children, but we believe that let's start, let's gear up. We feel now it is a new normal. So we have taken everybody because it's a tradition in Lovely Public School that 100% children are participating everywhere in all function. So it's our first virtual annual function for these tiny tots. But I believe that next time we will not be the virtual mode. We would be calling you all, and we would like our children to perform one to one before all of you. So I would like to tell that the children really have participated actively with full zeal, with full performance, 100%. And I also want to congratulate all my parents also, because they also helped us to have the beautiful shooting done. And I believe that today what we are going to present will be a wonderful experience for everyone, parents, grandparents, everybody. So I just would like to say thank you for being so much supportive and cooperative with the school to bring up this magical, beautiful show. I think I have spoken enough, and now is the time to showcase you what my children have prepared for you. So let's begin with today's beautiful virtual Ram Leela on the occasion, on the eve of Dashera. Thank you everyone. Good day to my children and love to all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. Thank you. We are excited to hear some words by our very special guest, Dr. Shruti, who has done her graduation and post-graduation from Lucknow and has treated thousands of patients. Apart from managing dental pathologies, she's currently working at Redix Cosmo Dental, which is an amalgamation of good equipments and skilled dental practitioners. I kindly request Dr. Shruti to continue our event by sharing some words with us.
Hi, I'm Dr. Shruti Malik. I'm Director Radix Healthcare. Thank you for having me here. I'm a dental surgeon, and today we are going to talk on a very, very important and an interesting topic about the dental health of a child. We all know that there is something called as teeth, which help us to eat, which help us to develop our various other important tasks in our life. So teeth plays a very, very important role. How it plays an important role is that if you do not have a beautiful smile, you feel that, socially you do not feel yourself to be very, very comfortable. The other thing is it helps in a child to develop the basic way how you speak. So a speech development is also very important when we talk about teeth. And the third most important thing is that it helps you obviously to eat. So I'll tell you a very, very interesting data that in India, 5.1 crore school hours are lost every year because of bad oral health. And in my regular day-to-day practice also, I see a lot of kids coming to me that they do not go to their school because they had a very, very bad dental pain. So 70% kids, they miss their school because of their bad oral health. So this oral health plays a very, very important role. Now, we all know that tooth decay is 5 times more prevalent than other diseases like asthma in children, etc. Now, we all know that we have to brush daily, we have to keep our teeth clean, but especially kids, they do not take care of their teeth because they are very, very small, and there the most important role of a parent comes. Why? Because brushing can reduce the chances of having a tooth decay. And also, I would like to bring to your notice that mostly I have seen that kids, they do not brush till the age of 1 year. I don't understand that when you all know that the tooth is erupting at the age of 6 months, why aren't we brushing them? Why aren't we taking care of them? Because these milk teeth are very, very important, not because these are going to shed off या ये गिर जाएंगे, but because they are going to guide the permanent teeth, and ये permanent teeth are going to stay with us for the rest of our lives. So when you do not clean your teeth, you actually create a lot of chances of having cavities, and then a kid is very, very happy missing his or her school. Now, flossing also plays a very, very important role. What is flossing? Flossing is something areas where the bristles of a brush, they cannot go, the floss goes. So it's like a small thread. So you have to clean the areas between the teeth so that the cavities do not develop there, especially in children, because after having chocolates, after having sticky sweet food, what happens is that the food gets stuck there, and initially the pain doesn't arise, so we do not feel anything, we ignore that problem, but later on what happens is these cavities can be at times very, very painful and could also be a nightmare for the child and the parent. Now, we all need to understand how does a cavity occur. अगर हमने कुछ खाया है तो कैसे हमारे दांतों में cavity लग जाती है. Now, whenever we eat something which is sweet, we eat chocolates, we eat gums, what happens is ये जब हम clean नहीं करते अपने दांत को खाने के बाद या हम उसके बाद rinse नहीं करते, what happens is जो हमारे मुंह के बैक्टीरिया हैं ये उन एरियाज में जाके वहां पे दे गो एंड दे सिट देयर. वंस द बैक्टीरिया गोज देयर इट रिलीजेस एसिड, एंड ये जो एसिड है, what an acid does, we all know that acid, what it dissolves wherever we put an acid. Suppose if we are putting an acid on a cloth, obviously our clothes are going to get discolored. That means the acid has so much potential to destroy your tooth. So for a child, the intake of food is very, very important. We have to make sure, if we want our child's brain to grow, we need to make sure a lot of calcium is being taken, lot of vitamins are being taken. We should give a lot of proteins, leafy vegetables, to keep not only the tooth healthy but for the overall development of a child's health, for an overall mental and physical development of a child. And that is how what happens, that when this acid comes, it dissolves the tooth and it creates a kind of ditch, I would say, एक गड्ढा जैसा बना देता है, which is called as a tooth decay, and which at times could be very, very painful if it is deep. Now, parents, they often ask this question कि हम अपने बच्चे को कैसे brushing सिखाएं. So for that, I would suggest that always understand that a child loves toys. So if your child is not brushing with a normal brush, what you do is get an electric brush. An electric brush comes in different kinds of colors. It's very interesting. It's like a toy. So you always tell them that there's a rule called a 2-2-2 rule. A 2-2-2 rule says that you have to get your child visit a doctor twice in a year. Second, you have to brush and floss your teeth, which is very, very easy. But obviously for parents, you need to teach them कि आप जितना ज़्यादा आप अपने बच्चे को हेल्प करेंगे ब्रशिंग कराने में, फ्लॉसिंग कराने में, वो धीरे धीरे खुद से सीखेगा, बिकॉज बच्चे के अंदर वो स्किल नहीं है कि वो खुद से कर लाए. एंड द थर्ड टू इज दैट 2 minutes you have to brush your teeth. Brushing your teeth doesn't mean that you have to polish it like a shoe, as if you're polishing your shoe. So you have to actually very gently brush your teeth. This is for parents, this is for children, everyone, so that you do not have a lot of dental problems. Often parents also come with a lot of dental problems. Adults have more dental problem than kids. So it is very, very important that whenever we are brushing, we are also using a mouthwash. We are also taking care of the एरियाज ऑफ द टीथ जहाँ पे कि हमारे ब्रश के ब्रिसल्स नहीं जा सकते, जहाँ पे कैविटीज़ हो सकती हैं, जहाँ पे इन्फेक्शंस हो सकते हैं. एंड ट्राई टू कीप योर ओरल हाइजीन एज गुड एज पॉसिबल, बिकॉज I must tell you one thing, the mouth is the entry gate of all the diseases. Whatever you are eating through your mouth. If you do not keep your mouth clean, you're not keeping your oral hygiene healthy, then not only you will have dental problems, but your overall health is also going to be affected. If you eat something which is a junk food, which is too sugary, you might in future have chances of getting diabetes or any other health related problems. So for maintaining your overall health also, you need to take care of your oral hygiene. Now, brushing plays a very, very important role. How do we have to brush? See, we have to at least brush for 2 minutes. Secondly, बहुत धीरे धीरे gently we have to clean our teeth. Now, if you see in the pictures, there is the brush is placed at an angle of 45 degrees. So you have to put your bristles at 45 degrees and then clean the surfaces of your teeth. You have to clean your upper portion of the teeth, the lower portion of the teeth, the surface from where you chew the food. So, and also it is very important that you clean the tongue. we often forget cleaning our tongue. So that is very, very important when we talk about brushing technique. Now we have to go for brushing. We have to take a very, very small pea size of paste. Now just see in the picture that there's a very small pea size paste which is there. It is for everyone, be it a small child, be it an adult. We have to make sure that the paste has to be just pea size. Pea size means जो मटर के दाने जितना उतना हमें ब्रिसल्स पे लगाना है, बिकॉज पेस्ट ज़्यादा लेने से भी आपके दांत खराब हो सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स यू कैन अपग्रेड योर इनामल of your teeth. So it is very important that we take very, very small amount, do it for 2 minutes and gently then rinse our mouth. So if we are going to follow all these techniques, we will make sure that our oral hygiene is very, very important. Now there's a very interesting thing which I will discuss with you all, that which foods are important for our teeth. Now we should have apples, we should have pears, we should have cheese, we should have a lot of yogurt, because yogurt and cheese, they contain a lot of calcium and phosphate. Apple is one food which we called as anti-cariogenic. That means that it does not create a lot of cavities in your tooth when you eat it. Now the worst foods are, which are going to obviously destroy and which I feel everyone loves also, is cookies, cakes, candies. So whenever you're having a lot of sweet food items, you are somehow or the other destroying your teeth. So please be very, very careful that your overall health is very, very important. And once your oral health is important, then obviously your general health is also going to be important. So please take care of your health. We've all seen that in the past few years that COVID has taught us a lot of lessons, that how important our health is, how important every human life is. And that is the reason I feel today the school has organized such a wonderful session just to tell all the parents, just to make everyone aware that how important not only your oral health but your general health is, and how can we every day work upon it to improve the life of ourselves, the life of our children and everyone around us. So I feel this is the most important day for a child's life. We should, from here, a child is stepping into the most important phase of his or her life, where we all have to understand that today if a child is trying to adapt to a new situation, is trying to adapt to a new environment, your child is going to develop a lot of cognitive skills. And thank you so much, Lovely Public School. It has been a wonderful way you have tried to work on every child, and because these kids, when we'll see after 20 years, are going to be very, very smarter, very, very intelligent. The most important thing is that they are going to be doing something, they are going to be working out of something which they really love. And I feel here is a very, very important role of a school, of a teacher and a parent. Thank you so much for having me over. Good day, take care.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such useful tips. We'll surely be implementing them. Now, I would like to welcome Swati ma'am to continue our event by sharing some words with us.
Greetings to all students, parents, teachers and everyone present on this meeting today. Today I just want to talk about some simple and basic things about nutrition and health and how they can help us improve the quality of our lives. Just a few changes in our daily habits can bring wonderful changes to our well-being. Healthy nutrition is basically eating wholesome and balanced food, and it's not about eating less or eating more. A simple tip that I would like to share with all of you today is the rule of 5 colors. Now what is rule of 5 colors? It's nothing but just counting 5 colors in your food. Now for example, carrot is orange, apple is red, pomegranate is maroon, potato is cream and dal is yellow. So these are 5 colors. If you can count 5 colors in your diet every day, that means that you're eating wholesome food and a balanced diet. So this was a simple thing that you can easily apply in your life. Now second thing that I want to discuss is a change in your diet or eating habits that can bring drastic change to your mental health. Now this second thing that I'm going to suggest you is mindful eating. So now what is mindful eating? Mindful eating is nothing but just channeling your thoughts while eating. You have to think that that food is healing you and it's helping you. Food is the only medicine that we need in life. Secondly, just avoid doing anything else while you eat, like watching TV or messaging or talking about anything negative. Always be positive while you're eating and you'll see the change and the food healing you. Such simple practices can bring wonderful changes in your life, both physically and mentally. I hope you get to implement these changes in your life and see a drastic change in your well-being. Thank you and have a colorful day.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the valuable information. Thank you. Thanks a lot. अयोध्या जिनका धाम है, राम जिनका नाम है, मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम वो राम है, उनके चरणों में हमारा प्रणाम है. तो आइए प्रणाम करते हुए आज का कार्यक्रम शुरू करते हैं. So fasten your seat belts and get ready to experience drama, laughter, faith, tears, love, devotion, and all the emotions. So let's get started.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
त्याग दो सब बुराइयां कुछ अलग करने के लिए. राम ने भी बहुत खोया श्री राम बनने के लिए.
वाल्मीकि गुरुदेव के पद पंकज सिरना सुमिरे मात सरस्वती हम पर हो सहाय. मात पिता की वंदना करते बारंबार. गुरुजन राजा प्रजाजन नमन करो स्वीकार. हम कथा सुनाते राम सकल गुण धाम की. हम कथा सुनाते राम सकल गुण धाम की. ये रामायण है पुण्य कथा श्री राम की. ये रामायण है पुण्य कथा श्री राम की. जम्बूद्वीपे भरतखंडे आर्यावर्ते भारतवर्ष एक नगरी है विख्यात अयोध्या नाम की. यही जन्म भूमि है परम पूज्य श्री राम की. हम कथा सुनाते राम सकल गुण धाम की. ये रामायण है पुण्य कथा श्री राम की. ये रामायण है पुण्य कथा श्री राम की.
अयोध्या के कनक महल में माँ कौशल्या के आंचल में जन्म लिया श्री राम ने. जगत में धूम मची चहुँ ओर, जगत में धूम मची चहुँ ओर.
अयोध्या के कनक महल में माँ कौशल्या के आंचल में. अयोध्या के कनक महल में माँ
विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरु से भेद न मानिए, गुरु से रहे न दूर, गुरु बिन सलिल मनुष्य है, आंखें रहते सूर।
अब समय आ गया था चारों राजकुमारों के शिक्षा ग्रहण का। चारों पुत्रों ने पिता दशरथ का आशीर्वाद लिया तथा गुरु वशिष्ठ के आश्रम की ओर प्रस्थान किया। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
आया दिन स्वयंवर का, आया दिन राम सीता के मिलन का। बधाई हो बधाई, शुभ घड़ी आई। जो भी महापुरुष इस अलौकिक शिव धनुष को उठा सकेगा उसी का विवाह राजकुमारी सीता से होगा। राम का विवाह भी हो गया है। लगता है अब समय आ गया है राम के राज्य अभिषेक का। पूरे महल को सजा दिया जाए, मेरे राम का राज्य अभिषेक होगा। केकई, अरे ओ केकई, कहाँ हो? क्या हुआ मंत्रा? मैं तो यही हूँ। अरे रानी, तुमने सुना नहीं? राम का राज्य अभिषेक होने वाला है। हाँ, पर ये तो बहुत खुशी की बात है। खुशी? कैसी खुशी? तेरा असली पुत्र भरत है, भरत। अगर राम का राज्य अभिषेक हो गया तो तेरे अपने पुत्र का क्या होगा? वो सिर्फ एक दास बनकर रह जाएगा। नहीं नहीं, मैं ऐसा नहीं होने दूंगी। केकई, बोलो, तुमने मुझे यहाँ क्यों बुलाया है? याद है ना महाराज, युद्ध के मैदान में आपने मुझे 2 वरदान दिए थे। हाँ केकई, बोलो, मांगो, तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? तो सुनिए महाराज, पहले वरदान में मुझे अपने पुत्र भरत के लिए राजगद्दी चाहिए और दूसरे वरदान में राम के लिए 14 वर्ष का वनवास। नहीं केकई, तुमने ये क्या मांग लिया?
क्या कभी अंबर से सूर्य बिछड़ता है,
आज्ञा दो माँ।
क्या कभी बिन बाती दीपक जलता है, क्या कभी अंबर से सूर्य बिछड़ता है, क्या कभी बिन बाती दीपक जलता है। कैसी है ये अनहोनी हर आँख हुई नम, छोड़ गया जो तू कैसे जिएंगे हम। तू ही किनारा, तू ही सहारा, तू जग सारा, तू ही हमारा सूरज, तू ही तारा। जय जयकारा, जय जयकारा, स्वामी देना साथ हमारा। जय जयकारा, जय जयकारा, स्वामी देना साथ हमारा।
राम, सीता और लक्ष्मण वनों में भटकते भटकते आखिर में पंचवटी पहुँचे।
पंचवटी मन भावन उपवन, पंचवटी मन भावन उपवन, जिस उपवन में मन को मोहे, श्री रघुवर की चितवन, मोहक चितवन, सुंदर चितवन। पंचवटी मन भावन उपवन।
अरे वाह! ये अत्यंत मनमोहक पुरुष कौन है? मैं इसी से विवाह करूंगी। हे मनमोहक पुरुष, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? तुम मुझे बहुत पसंद हो, क्या तुम मुझसे विवाह करोगे?
नहीं देवी, मैं पहले से ही विवाहित हूँ। तुम मेरे अनुज लक्ष्मण के पास जाओ।
लक्ष्मण, तुम मुझे पसंद हो, तुम मुझसे विवाह कर लो।
नहीं, मैं तुमसे विवाह नहीं कर सकता।
तुम्हें मुझसे विवाह करना ही होगा, वरना अनर्थ हो जाएगा। अरे नहीं, ये तुमने क्या किया? तुम जानते नहीं मेरा भाई कौन है, वो तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ेगा लक्ष्मण।
हो, मैं रावण हूँ और मुझसे बलशाली यहाँ कोई नहीं है।
भैया, भैया ये देखो, उस राम लक्ष्मण ने मेरे साथ क्या किया? मेरी नाक काट दी भैया।
क्या? मैं उसे नहीं छोड़ूंगा, मैं उस राम लक्ष्मण को नहीं छोड़ूंगा।
अरे वाह, वो कितना सुंदर और चंचल हिरन है। स्वामी, क्या तुम उस हिरन को मेरे पास ला सकते हो? हाँ सीते, मैं अभी लाता हूँ। लक्ष्मण, स्वामी को गए हुए कितना समय हो गया है। जाओ, देख कर आओ अपने भ्राताश्री को। किंतु मैं आपको यहाँ अकेला नहीं छोड़ सकता। जाओ, मैं तुम्हें आदेश देती हूँ, अपने भ्राताश्री को लेकर आओ। जो आज्ञा माते।
भिक्षाम दे, भिक्षाम दे।
प्रणाम मुनिवर, ये लीजिए।
पुत्री, द्वार से बाहर आकर भिक्षा दो, ये मेरा अपमान है।
जो आज्ञा। सीते को वो दुष्ट रावण ले जा चुका है। रावण, तुम्हारा अंत अब निश्चित है। प्रणाम माते, हमें माता शबरी से मिलना है। मेरे राम आ गए, मेरे राम आ गए। मैं ही शबरी हूँ। आइए प्रभु, भीतर आइए। आपको भूख लगी होगी प्रभु, मैं आपके लिए फल लाती हूँ। ये लीजिए प्रभु, ये सभी वे बहुत ही मीठे हैं। मैंने कुछ चक्कर रखे हैं। बहुत आनंद आया। ऐसा लगा जैसे माँ कौशल्या ने अपने हाथों से खिलाए हैं। मैं धन्य हो गई प्रभु, मैं धन्य हो गई। मैं आपको सुग्रीव का पता बताती हूँ ताकि आप उस दुष्ट के चंगुल से देवी सीता को बचा लाए।
श्री राम सीता की तलाश में ऋषिमुख पर्वत पर पहुँचे और वहाँ सुग्रीव व हनुमान से मिले। उन्हें राम ने सारी सच्चाई बताई। सुग्रीव ने श्री राम की सहायता का वचन दिया। अब सारी वानर सेना लंका की ओर चल पड़ी। रास्ते में विशाल समुद्र देखकर सारी सेना रुक गई और हनुमान जी ने पवन रूप धारण किया और उड़कर लंका पहुंच गए। वहां मां सीता को ढूंढते ढूंढते अशोक वाटिका पहुंचे। यहाँ हनुमान जी ने ऊपर से सीता की ओर राम की अंगूठी गिराई।
माते, मैं प्रभु राम का सेवक हनुमान हूँ। हनुमान, तुम बहुत थक गए होगे।
हाँ माते, भूख तो बहुत लगी है। क्या मैं यहाँ से कुछ फल खा सकता हूँ?
हाँ, किंतु पहले से टूटे हुए ही फल खाना।
जो आज्ञा माते। जय श्री राम।
छम छम नाच देखो वीर हनुमाना, छम छम नाच देखो वीर हनुमाना। कहते हैं लोग इसे कहते हैं लोग इसे राम का दीवाना। छम छम नाच देखो वीर हनुमाना, छम छम नाच देखो वीर हनुमाना। राम राम बोलो राम, राम राम बोलो राम, राम राम बोलो राम, राम राम बोलो राम।
हनुमान ने सारी अशोक वाटिका तहस नहस कर दी।
हम विश्व विजेता, हम शासक हैं, हम राक्षस हैं, हम राक्षस हैं।
महाराज, एक वानर ने आकर पूरी अशोक वाटिका तहस नहस कर दी है।
उस वानर को महल में उपस्थित किया जाए। अरे ओ दुष्ट वानर, कौन है तू?
मैं श्री राम का दास हनुमान हूँ। जय श्री राम।
सेनापति, इसको दंड दिया जाएगा। इसकी पूंछ में आग लगा दी जाए ताकि इसका और इसके स्वामी का तिरस्कार हो सके।
हनुमान जी ने लौटकर श्री राम को सारी बात बताई। उसके उपरांत लंका जाने हेतु सेतु का निर्माण हुआ।
हमारे शिल्पी है सुखेन विज्ञानी, हनुमान के आगे भरते बड़े बड़े है पानी। नल और नील हमारे शिल्पी है सुखेन विज्ञानी, हनुमान के आगे भरते बड़े बड़े है पानी। अरे अंगद बड़े लड़ैया हो, छुटके बढ़ के भैया हो,
समस्त गुरुजनों तथा अन्य लोगों के समझाने पर भी रावण ने मां सीता को वापस नहीं लौटाया और अंत में युद्ध प्रारंभ हुआ।
राम, तेरी मृत्यु मेरे हाथों से लिखी है। आज तुम्हें मारकर मैं उन सबका प्रतिशोध लूंगा।
अंगेश धर्माचारी, लंकेश मायाधारी, एक महाबली एक महाछली रण में टकराते हैं। अब राम जी रावण को अंतिम खेल खिलाते हैं।
अब राम जी रावण को अंतिम खेल खिलाते हैं। युद्धम 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 महायुद्धम।
यह युद्ध प्रलयंकारी, त्रिभुवन में हलचल भारी। रण देख सबता तो गले उंगली दबाते हैं।
अब राम जी रावण को अंतिम खेल खिलाते हैं।
युद्धम 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 महायुद्धम।
लंका पर विजय प्राप्त कर श्री राम, माता सीता, भ्राता लक्ष्मण, हनुमान तथा समस्त वानर वीरों सहित अयोध्या वापस लौटे।
श्री रामचंद्र
Wow, what a performance. I'm sure our little ones have won millions of hearts. Mine is one of them. Now, let's peep through the curtains and see what's happening पर्दे के पीछे. We have captured some very special and funny moments for you all. तो आइए देखते हैं कुछ मस्ती भरे पल इन नन्हे मुन्नों के साथ. Now, I would like to invite Mrs. Suman Khanna ma'am to propose vote of thanks.
राम नाम का महत्व न जाने वह अज्ञानी अभागा है, जिसके दिल में राम बसे वह परम सौभागा है. With these words, I extend my sincere thanks to Almighty God, with whose blessings our annual day has accomplished successfully on this virtual platform. Event like this cannot happen overnight, so the wheels started rolling weeks ago. I will be forever thankful to our management for being catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as pillars of strength. With deep sense of appreciation, I thank my loving teachers for their untiring efforts. My sincere gratitude to all the parents and well-wishers for the rock-solid support system and encouragement. Without your support, children would not have achieved the excellence. Finally, I would like to thank my budding rock stars who made this event joyful with their impressive performance. Your days of hard work was evident in your work. Last but not the least, thanks to each one who made this annual day celebration memorable for all of us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now let's conclude today's event by Mangal Gan.
तेरा मंगल तेरा मंगल तेरा मंगल होए रे सबका मंगल सबका मंगल सबका मंगल होए रे जिस गुरुदेव ने धर्म दिया है उनका मंगल होए रे जिस जननी ने जन्म दिया है उसका मंगल होए रे पाला पोसा और बढ़ाया उस पिता का मंगल होए रे इस जगत के सब दुखियारे प्राणी का